G'day guys, look what I've just found on the street. Look at this. Not sure what to do with it. It says press here. I'm a bit nervous. It's got a little bit on the front here. Looks like it might be emitting some kind of a beam, but yeah, I don't know what'll happen. Is it just a remote for the TV or something a bit more? Okay, here we go. I'm going to press it. Oh my God. Guys. Luckily that just went straight out the door, didn't hit anything. Maybe it's supposed to hit something. Let's try that. No way, guys. That can't have happened, can it? Let's try it on something else. I'll point it at that pot over there. Well, it really is enlarging things. Wonder if it would work on the dog. Let's try that. Wow, that's pretty damn amazing, isn't it? Good dog. Oh my Lord. Oh, I just had a brainwave. This enlarges things, doesn't it? Let's try it. Ready?